let you go. Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you too.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Ms. Lockett, the founder and CEO of Feature Fashion on Lockett. And today you guys are in for a special treat. So for today's video, y'all, we're going to be trying a new restaurant, a new brunch spot, which I'm super duper excited about. And it is called Scrambled. Let me show y'all. Y'all, this restaurant is on the corner of Octavia and Laurel. If you ever come to New Orleans, and y'all see what it's about. So yeah, I'm super duper excited. Right now, it's an hour and a half wait, and I don't want to try this restaurant. So we just gonna wait, and I can't wait to show you guys the food and tell you guys what it is about. Now, from what I heard the food is good. I actually seen a preview of food from one of my favorite content creators on Instagram. So yeah, I'm excited. So right now, since we waiting, I do have the menu, and I kind of been looking it over just to see what I'm gonna get. And y'all, everything on this menu, I want. So you guys know I'm greedy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just show you guys this menu so y'all can see what they have. So we finally got inside of the restaurant, y'all, and I just want to let you guys know what I ordered. So I got pancakes with bananas and pecans on it. I got turkey bacon. I got cheese grits, and I have the breakfast potatoes. So I'll let you guys know how that tastes. And I also got this drink. It's called Refreshers, and I got a passionate pineapple. So I can't wait to show you guys that. Sounds like it's delicious. I don't know, y'all know I'm really, I feel like I want some more food, but we'll see in a minute. Alright guys, this is the passionate pineapple. It's good. Okay, I just found out that Scrambled, this place has been here for 2 months. Y'all, it's so many people in here. I don't want to put the people on the camera, but they got a line of people still waiting to get in and see. Now, they told us an hour and 30 minutes, but it actually took us about 40 minutes. So, that's not bad. The food must be worth it, so we'll see. Alright, I think the food is finally about to start coming out. My sister, she got her food. She got pancake and sausage, y'all. And it look good. I'm just waiting on mine. Alright, my sister got pancake and sausage, and she also got shrimp and grits, and it looks so good, y'all. Alright, y'all, my food finally came out, so let me show y'all what I got. So again, I got pancake with bananas on it. I got turkey sausage. I got cheese grits, cheddar grits, and breakfast potatoes. And as you guys can see, they didn't owe me nothing, huh? Y'all, this was one of the workers. She was super sweet. The whole staff. Alright, y'all. I can't even lie. The food was really, really good. I'm so full. I got so much food, but it's all good. I'm gonna take it with me. And I even took my sister's shrimp and grits, and it was so good. So, if I had to, I'd get this restaurant. Probably like a 10 out of 10. My sister agreed to it. But it was good. If y'all ever in New Orleans, again, the restaurant is on the corner of Laurel and Octavia. Try it out. Alright, I think I'm going to close this vlog out. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And also follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Teacher Fashion on Lock_ETT.